Hello everyone. I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming a simple old ball bearing into a powerful, versatile hand tool. I'm starting with a standard bolt. These will be the core components of our new tool. I will clamp the bolt securely in the vise and use an angle grinder to carefully cut off the threads. Next, I will weld this bolt directly onto the outer ring of the bearing. A strong weld is essential here because this part will be under a lot of tension later. After welding, I always make sure to chip away the slag and clean it with a wire brush for a neat finish. Now, I'm using a square to mark a straight line across the bearing. I need to cut the bearing exactly in half along this line, using my angle grinder. This will allow the two halves to act as the jaws of our clamp. I'm taking two small rectangular metal plates and marking the center. I'll drill a hole through both of them. These plates will form the hinge that connects the two halves of the tool. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. I will use screws to secure the two plates together. This makes it easier to clamp them in a vise and sand the edges perfectly flat. Shaping them so they fit together precisely is crucial for the hinge to function smoothly. Now, I'm positioning the hinge plates onto the half of the bearing that has the bolt. I'll weld them securely in place. I'm making sure to weld both sides for maximum strength. Then I'll grind the welds down so they're smooth and don't interfere with the tool's movement. For the handles, I'm using 2 pieces of rebar. I'll bend it slightly using a pipe for leverage to give it an ergonomic shape. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Then, I'll weld this first handle onto the bearing assembly. I'll take a second piece of rebar and weld it to the other half of the hinge. Now our tool is really starting to take shape. After welding the handle, I'm using an angle grinder to cut the bearing in half. To make the jaws grip better, I'm cutting a notch into the end of one handle. This texture will provide extra friction, so things won't slip out. I'm using an angle grinder to create diamond shapes to generate friction on the tool. Look at our finished tool. Let's test it out. Thanks to the nut attached to the bearing, I can easily nail it into the block of wood. But that's not all. The bearing's clamping jaws also make it a great wire cutter. Watch how easily and cleanly it cuts electrical wires. This DIY device proves that with a little creativity, you can achieve amazing things. If you enjoyed this project, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.